Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the glasses and preparing the storage. This prevents mid-record failures. Charge fully, insert a high-speed micro SD, and power on. Once powered, open the companion app and pair the device. Follow the on-screen QR or Bluetooth prompt to authorize. Make sure firmware is current because updates fix recording bugs and improve quality. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth and retry. Otherwise, continue to the next steps once the app confirms a stable connection. You now configure capture settings to suit your scene. Choose resolution and frame rate balancing quality and file size, 1080p 60 for action, 4K 30 for detail. Once set, put the glasses on and perform a quick eye-level test shot to confirm framing and horizon alignment. Small nose adjustments change perspective a lot. Enable audio input and stabilization in the app so recordings stay clear and steady. If lighting is low, increase exposure slightly, but watch for noise. Test a 10-second. You finish by stopping the recording and confirming the file saved correctly in the app. Review a short clip before packing up. Then power down, safely eject the micro SD using the app or device eject command, and transfer files to your computer and a backup drive. Clean lenses gently and store the glasses in the case to protect sensors. If you encounter corrupted files, try a different card and reformat the original. Often a bad card causes dropped or corrupted recordings. Replace it if errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.